We just did 19 minutes of all core. We never stopped. We did a parking lot run. Now we're dragging. Try to get those legs straight, Queen. Yeah, that's it. That's my girl right there. Come on, Wade. That's it. That's it. All the way. All the way. What'd you wake up for today? What'd you come in here and do? Huh? What do you want to do today? Put some work in? You make it all the way, baby. Switching shit up. That's it. Drag that body, mama. Drag that body. I got people everywhere. People walking around like a zombie. Rookie, too slow. Let's go. Let's go. My boy Blue getting it right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oldest guy in the gym. Getting shit done. Raise those up high. That's it. That's it. Let's go, Hillary. We're going to make something out of you, sweetie. Raise those up. I want to see those glutes activating. Get that chest up. Raise. That's it. Larry, come on. Get those body up. Get that chest off the ground. Get that chest off the ground. What's going on over there? You guys look down. Yeah. People killing ass here. Killing it. People are working their ass off right here. Let's get it. Up, down, quick, people. Up, down, quick. Crazy people. We did all that core work, 10 minutes, nonstop. Parking lot run. Back on the field. Yeah. Get on that field. Get on that field. Get that cone drag. Let's go, Queen. You're my front runner on my females. Females. That's it. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep moving.